Kajing pan map giba bun gila petai kubur kari wat kumju giba hinga sem jong uraja rukubansi bat kasonam rukubansi ya gipa ba kajela mekraya kasuka jela ka sneuhun ban omya shu syakmat ya kajing ujur persya yaki habakran mentaka sengi ka atari ujilio aja pesan unong aiktin kasuka jela wa polng da olong ba kajing ujur kasuka persya ikitu giba kren bank kren sneu ya mekraya kadai nama bagi dondu giba kren pensit ya gibreu na mekraya gibasa sabar Rai mental ayo i bagilat patai kebual kari bas ki bahing asam jung itu bakendu i ke jingjiru kilapan map kela berkelakut no hangta bar kesoka kan om ya syu syakman syuaban syakem kasonam rakuban si bar sangut ki kang jungka kaladon ka jingken tok sneu ya kemekraya bakadai ki jela ka bas sneu nama ka jing syak peniap uraja rakuban si hanrai mental ndala pau ka jing sisya kitu ki bakren to met ki hab ban pan map kela
As we speak, the footfalls at Sora itself is increasing. There are more and more visitors. Even when the case was still not solved, the footfall was still the same. Now, with the name of Meghalaya being vindicated and cleared, we are only seeing greater traction, more footfall. And we expect that this would touch 20 lakhs by the Cherry Blossom Festival. The genesis of our demand for apology sprang when a number of vile comments were made, including incitement of violence against people originating from Meghalaya. So the very next day, the response was tremendous because a lot of these major media houses, including Times of India, including Republic TV, apart from private, bloggers, have tendered their unqualified apology. So that met with our demand.
You will be pursuing any?
No, we have stated clearly that unless you apologize, we will file defamation suits, and we have filed FIRs as well. Now, once they have taken their word back, for instance, the family of the deceased has also publicly apologized to the government and the people of Meghalaya. So the matter ends there.